Yes, hello, hello, yes, Aisha. The best thing is that you like this sweater. Oh, why do you like this sweater? Why do you like this sweater? Why do you like this sweater? Do you respond? No response? Oh, that's ridiculous. How did you respond? Thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Muhammad said, tell me about the weather. How is the weather today? The weather is awesome. Do you like this weather? Why do you like this weather? Hiya. No, why do you like this weather? No, okay. Hiya. Give response. Dora. No response? Yes, sister, how are you? Are you good, Mustafa? What do you think about the weather? How is the weather today? The weather is very good. Do you like this weather? Why? You just look at it, it's very good. And afterwards, you told me that. Oh, you told me what? Okay, why don't you like this weather? Don't you like this weather? What? Yes, very good. It's very hard. That is why I don't like this weather. Thank you so much. It was a nice travel, guys. It was a good job. What did you do on the Jack? What did it today? Today is 13th October 13, 2000. What day is today? Okay, so yesterday, before yesterday, if you remember, I told you that on Monday everybody has to devote an idea. Who has read? Who is ready now? Come here. After you are having all in 1 minute. The rest, come on, hurry up, prepare an idea. The rest one they are having all in 1 minute. You will just have an idea there. Open your books right now. Open up Shabas. Idea. Take a start. You are having only 1 minute. Prepare it right now. Put the Shabas. Hurry up. Right now. The name of Almighty Allah, the benefit and the merciful, who is the Rahman, who is the Rahim, who is the Lord of Lords, who is the King of Kings, who is the King of Kings, who is the Lord of Lords. Thank you, my respectable teacher, the Imam of the in front of this class, today by Quran, Imam of Al-Ayat, an idea on our right. God is a giving straight guide by led by the doctor Young. He feel unhappy and frustrated because he cannot eat his favorite food like fish food, pizza, spaghetti. Good job. Nice. Yes, sir. Is it up? Thank you so much. Good job. Yes, Mr. Osman Khan, it's your turn. What? Abdullah, it's your turn. Maya, go there, shout. Maya, hurry up. You are here only 1 minute. Yes, you and you. You can hesitate without them. I forget the word shout. You can do it without piece of paper, without a paper. Understand now? Hurry up. Oh, that was really nice. Play for her. Good job. I really appreciate you. It's your turn. Satya, it's your turn. Come here. Huh? Again, it doesn't matter. Workshop. The 1 minute idea. Okay, come on, go. What's through? Hurry up. What about you? Oh, good. Are you? Speak loudly, please. I can eat. Okay. 2.8. Enough. Thank you so much. Good job. Everybody there. Sahil. Let's go again. Sahil. Come here. Sahil. Time is running out. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. You want to hurry up? Take a step. Speak loudly. I can't get up. Hurry up. Hurry up. What is this? Hurry up. Aisha, come here. Satya. Let's start. Speak loudly, please, Verma. Oh, that's enough. Thank you so much. Play for her. Good job. Play for her. Everybody nice. Good. Come here. Hurry up. Be ready. Good. Good. Should I eat spaghetti? Yes. The doctor said. Oh, that was really nice. Everybody, good job. Let's come here. That was really nice. Good job. I really appreciate you. Come here. Yes. Assistant. You can take it simple. Proper words is Malulya. You have to say your own words. You have to speak your own words. That's not the proper words is Malulya. Let's call them an idea. Shall we? Speak loud. Give us. Okay, take a shot. More power. Good. was the main idea. Hey, good job. Sahil, Sahil, come on, hurry up. Time is running out. On. Are you ready? Abdullah, are you ready? Yes, you. Next start.
Starting with the name of Almighty Allah who is going to work and to one. Today my topic is
Yes, great. Good job. Nice. Come
my
on.
topic is on a type education in food.
Come on. Good job. Hurry up.
Yes,
Yes,
no
yes.
worries.
It's simple. Asam. Alhamdulillah. Huh? Yes? Yeah, I'm going to tell you the main idea. Okay, you can hear that from your house. It's simple. Why do you worry for it? Next up. Come here. Yes, sister. What did you come here? Yes. Okay. Let's come toward the vocabulary, Shabash. Good, are you ready? Yes? Huh?
Then change the CM. You see him stand up here. He's really very good.
Keep your finger crossed that you need to bend for us.
Then now,
Do you know about this idiom? Keep your fingers crossed.
what's the meaning of
What does it
it?
mean? Keep your fingers crossed. The Indian meaning the faster now, you are getting. Okay. How about your vocabulary? You have literary page number? Which number? Page number?
15. Application.
The first subject we are going to study here, application is a noun, it means a formal intelligence phrase can speak for applying for a job. The first. Hurry up. Everybody has to write its meaning. Everybody has to write its meaning. Listen to us yesterday, before yesterday, I gave you a chance that if you can write its meaning in Urdu, well and good. But next time, I will never ever give you permission to write its meaning in Urdu. You have to write its meaning in English. Understand? Whatever that is, you have to understand its meaning in English. Go.
1 minute.
No, in front of us, हमको तो meaning निकले. Yes. Application means the first. A formal written request for applying for a job. Club means a sports organization. Club hires understand the sports, for example, in club gym sports, cricket club. Understand a sports organization. Don't write anything. Somebody come. Entry means a ticket to enter a job club. Entry is the Dakhla form. Your form we have a fill up here. It's called the entrance here. Understand? That is called entry form. Liter is a noun, it means a unit used for liquid metals. Liters लिए ना listen to answer. You collect liquid things here, liquid. For example, कोई ना your liter petrol वाचा, 2 liter petrol वाचा, 3 liter. Liter चीज़ एक अंदाज़ के लिए unit दिया. This is the part इस्तेमाल the liquid. This is the part इस्तेमाल. We use it for liquid things. Whenever we buy a liquid thing, चलो हम liquid thing liquid क्या हुआ?
Now,
Maya. Maya.
लिक्विड थिंग्स आता सर अगर उसके नाम लिक्विड निकालो हम बस क्या हुआ लीटर क्या हुआ आता सेना लिक्विड तो लीटर हां इस सब मतलब लेके जस्ट
2 lines.
टुडे membership
Membership.
being a member of group club membership क्या होया
Group बनाने वाला. Group बनाने का
being a member of group the group का शब्द आया तो होया membership understand ना good group का सरबरा yes
Nasanga group Sarji.
pocketbook तो या is a small okay pronoun mean a small notebook छोटी सी किताब pocket book अगर जिब्रू अक्सर खल्की दिखाना अच्छा तो या मकाम जिब्रू रवि बस दे चार नंबर पक्की प्रति एक काजी माती दी है तो या pocket book razor blade it's a noun it means a blade used for shaving purpose razor blade अगर तो करना for instance it's to shave किया shave मम्मी ये करके अर्थ तो या razor blade ये पसी करके अर्थ तो या razor blade good understand good job don't write anything for it so तुम लिखे हाँ good तो जब तक ये क्या मेरे के राज्य का जब तक प्लीज पटेस्ट राज्य का उसमें देखिए इंग्लिश लिखे हाँ got it the next word is sex means gender gens yes sex is gender ये परीक्षा है जेंट्स नहीं रहेगा ना जेंट्स और यो जगह तो होगा ना जेंट्स और जेंट्स जेंडर तो होगा सेक्स तो जेंडर तो होगा मेल ने का फीमेल का उनका फिर जिदा मेल ने का सेक्स का जेंडर मेल और फीमेल तो वो शरीर सेक्स ने का जेंडर तो होगा मेल for example tas yo foreign film कोई के ना foreign तो देखो आज से निकले लाग से निकले या मैं मतलब निकले या और फिर फीमेल tas the male omega to female film good the next word is signature means a sign signature means a dust
Signature. That's the highest.
next one is yes asparagus means it's an honest mean a plant with peachly foliage next one cultivated for its edible roots okay एक किस्म का पौधा हाँ
Yes.
yes
Pौधा.
bacon तो यार bacon
PJ1.
okay gosh हरिया bacon से के gosh नमकीन gosh meat from the back or sides of a pig beans means edible seeds beans तो यार yes हरिया
Borge.
okay I'll show you its picture that's come canal al put in the little next restaurant, broccoli means is analyzed with a kind of vegetable. Yes. That is bubu mutakiri cauliflower. Okay. No. No, cabbage. This is called as a source of one who which can at the cabbage. That's a holiday. Let's say broccoli. That's good. Celery means the a kind of plant used in salad. Celery मेरे एक ही सब के सलाद इस्तेमाल है आप का पिक्चर
Yes, sir.
dan प्याज होता क्या उद्दीप पानी से शेयर
Okay, Sarji, Maku.
देता हूँ
Okay, Sarji.
कमी हो रही चार बहुत और तरीके का yes let's move on Oda next one is cereal means anaj cereal grain Allah jamalla anaj cherry means a kind of fruit cherry kala padida okay filling of salt is a बगैर हड्डी वाला गोश्त ginger ale means a ginger flavored drink ginger ale is तो या वह ginger ale में हम को तो नहीं हो गया a ginger flavored drink ginger तो या अदरक शरबत तो ये grapefruit means grapefruit is another means a kind of orange but with yellow skin grapefruit बताओ आप कल को तो कैसा हो गया आज तो ये grapefruit सो तो ये क्या रहता है उसको कहते हैं कलकल और तो कलकल आगे मुझे क्या लगता है आज तो ये grapefruit
Apa pita?
Gravy means a sauce made from cooked meat. Yes. Yes. No. कल ये करना या मार्टर का ना मार्टर हो सकती है और कैसे और मुझे कौन ये बुक का बस ना मतलब सवाल अरे नो तुम्हारा I think you expect a little bit of but you don't have to write it Urdu. Then is that English with it, huh?
तुम्हें पता है उर्दू की हम इंग्लिश पढ़ोगे
No. Arya, tell me page number. Tell me page number. On the eight, vocabulary meaning number 1. Vocabulary meaning number. Vocabulary meaning number 1. Vocabulary meaning number 1. Interaction. Actually, come. These are the names of dishes and silverware you can use cup, glass and bowl to talk about one list of food. Silverware, so silverware को कला चम्मच टिक्कर अपन देखो ना देखो fork show, spoon show, plate show, knife, spoon show. This is the person who you want. That is a silverware one. Answer what do you want? Did you buy it to keep it in your home? Don't even tap. Down. Silverware stoves. Silverware. Don't touch.
Agia cari cakuan cerai
Fork तो यार अब दिल आपको वाला चम्मच दिया आज fork कोई knife शू चाड़ा चला spoon शू बड़े बड़े spoon तो एक चम्मच ना हो यार दिन तक मुझे सब हो यार it is silverware. Okay, these are the names of dishes तो यार बर्तन है. Okay, and silverware you can use cup, glass and bowl. Bowls तो यार बहुत चीज़ का पड़ेगा मुझे इधर ये इवेंट शीट अर्थ का नाम बड़े शीट जो देश का जमाने में गिरा हुआ अच्छा तो एक बात है हाँ और ये देखिए that we are silent say we talk about quantities of food. Listen stress you are having only 1 minute now or read all these words the words written right now. Yes.
Do you understand now? It's the problem with the ship. Good job.
That's
And
a
then make
share,
idea
sir.
present.
Sajida sharing. Sajida sharing.
Understand, led by one, be by one, Nikki.
Sajida
Cup.
da.
Yes?
Salura.
Silver. S-A-U-C, yeah.
Sanskrit.
Sas.
Let's move on. Reaction number 2. Reaction number 2. Question with what kind of? What kind of? What kind of? What kind of से मतलब हो?
Piece of board. Piece of board.
Okay, what kind of word is this according to grammar? Huh? Great. Double H question phrase है तो very sure. Question phrase है तो very sure. Why do you use it? Good job. Ask something about generally. Good job. Clap for him. Clap for him. You are very nice. Good job. What kind of means to ask about something generally? Look at the first example का Rishabh sir. Soup double slash vegetable chicken and tomato. What kind of soup do you have? What kind of soup do you have? We have vegetable chicken and tomato. The vegetable soup we
हाँ सजीता
vegetable. Have you ever eaten vegetable soup? Yes, I
सजी
shall.
खूब की भी करना
No, vegetable soup.
Yes.
हाँ सजी भी करना
Okay, we have what kind of soup do you have? दस रकम किस्म soup ने दिया अब सर we have vegetable chicken and tomato understand let's move on salad 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 double slash fruit salad and toaster salad शाबाश
सजी सूप के होटल
what kind of
What kind
salad do you have I have
of fruit
and toaster yeah, the rest you have to do it by yourself. None of us hurry up. Tomorrow we will write topics. सवाल होंगे wrong topics लिखो हाँ. Topics along with that we have to finish vocabulary. Vocabulary also finish topics and then some homework. Good job.
What kind of vegetable? Vegetable do you have?
Okay, Anfal. Stop writing. Remember, Anfal, you ask question and Aisha will give response. Yes, there. Good job. It was an answer. Okay, 3 number. Safyan, you ask question and Mario will give response.
What kind of soft drink do you have? I have soda, ginger ale, and
Ginger ale and
orange.
orange. Thank you so much. It was an answer. Now, you will ask question. You will ask question and Abdullah will give response. 4 points.
What kind of
5.
pie do you have?
We have
We have apple and cherry.
cherry. Thank you so much. Mustafa, you ask the question and he will give response.
What cherry? What kind of yes,
What kind of juice do you have? And grapefruit. Thank you so much. Let's move on. Presentation number 3. Presentation number 3. Sahil with interaction. Sahil.
we were presented for the
With spelling challenges. Superb. Good job. I really appreciate you. Listen to us here. Tomorrow we are going to study this topic E1 plus plus adjective. Listen to us here. I'm going to understand it generally. Just look at the topic. According to grammar, E1 it is an adverb. According to grammar, E1 must be an adverb. Okay, anyone who can tell me about adverb? What is adverb? Like, okay, Fatma, what is adverb? Adverb. Yes, what is adverb? Adverb. Adverb. describes. Shona describes.
Adjective,
Verb, and another adverb. Adjective, it describes or modify. You can say modify. Modify means to change. To change. Okay. Adverbs is used to describe. Adverb, it is used to describe adjective, verb, and another adverb. So even according to grammar, it is an adverb. Even must see the adverb. According to grammar, must see the even adverb. Listen, students, after even we will use the comparative adjective. Comparative. You studied it in 11th class. What is comparative degree of adjective? Anyone? Superlative degree, we will study once we go ahead. We didn't study superlative degree, just make understand on comparative adjective. What is comparative adjective? Comparative adjective. Comparative adjective is used to, yes, is used to compare one person with another person, one place with another place, and one thing with another thing. Understand? For example, I say this class is hot. So that class is hotter. After see there, hotter. The comparative degree, comparative adjective is hotter. The hot comparative adjective is hotter. What is the comparative degree of good? Better. Okay, what is the comparative degree of tall? Taller. Do you understand? Okay, since even we use it before a comparative adjective. Even we use it before comparative adjective. For instance, Ali is tall. Ali is tall. Ali is tall. I say Hamad is taller. Hamad is taller. Hamad is taller than. That is say Hamad is taller than Ali. I do not say the full sentence. Full sentence नहीं होगा. Hamad is taller. Hamad बढ़ते निचाना बढ़ते हो. The Ali. So here, if I want to use Hamad is even taller. Even taller here, even means more. Even means more. So I say Hamad is even taller. Even here, I'm gonna emphasize on comparative adjective. The thing is that even से क्या emphasize here comparative adjective. The thing is that even से मतलब है more. More से मतलब ज़्यादा. जो कोई हमारा दिल ज़्यादा बढ़ते जाना. Hamad is even taller than Aliyah. Hamad is even taller than what? Aliyah. So here we are emphasizing on comparative adjective. जैसे कि even का जब हम emphasize करें, तो emphasize करें दो word पे taller का. taller मतलब कोई adjective है, comparative adjective. The even the comparative adjective नाम पे इसमें. Understand? क्वेश्चन लेगा जी. Okay, Afsar is even taller than Mansoor. Afsar is even taller than Mansoor. For instance, this class is hotter. That class is even hotter. That class is even hotter. Next, anyone who can make example? Shabas, come on, hurry up, make one sentence. Hurry up. Anyone? Silent.
It's like a sim.
Yes.
This like
No. Dem chine masa chiria.
Objective.
Word dila agane jodiya. Next one. Yes. Hurry up. Make sentence.
Victor वाला जैसे समझ लेगा जोर.
Weaker. Yes.
Mansoor is weak, but
Mansoor is even weaker than Apsara.
then the subject you. I am abstract.
Oh, Mansoor is even. Yes.
This
Ivan is even weaker than Ijaz.
मंसूर इसलिए करती करेगी
अगर दिल ज्यादा कमजोर है काम ज्यादा कमजोर है मन कमजोर है ओके नेक्स्ट हरी अप ओके presentation number 3 तरह शाबाश then लेके मुझे compare to adjective और adjective शाबाश spelling rules for adding er spelling rules for adding er hurry up
Last 14 minutes.
okay do you remember its rules as the rules for the study the comparative okay jika हम सर one consonant आगे समझ से कहो er add कहो good job सिंगा jika हम सर your one syllable word आगे समझ से कहो Follow the er add कहो we want whenever we want to convert a singular syllable into a comparative degree we just add a er सबसे add कहो er also add कहो jika हम ना one से ज्यादा more than two ऐसा हम से add कहो हाँ for example if I say intelligent I say intelligent yes because it खबर को वन जेमा Sahil is
And this answer is
more with similar good job more and most you forgive each and everything first come hurry up the read shabas you are having only 1 minute reading shabas cold colder small smaller nicer nicer whiter whiter bigger bigger hot hotter prettier prettier healthier healthier shabas hurry up okay listen to the class shabas the paragraph here Christina's life was good but she wanted her life to be even better so here Christina's life जिंदगी की आखिर better अगर तो यार but she wanted her life to be even better good about the next here more of her here she was happy and healthier but she wanted to be happier and healthier but she looked prettier but she wanted to look even nicer even nicer she wasn't happy but she wanted to be a thinner understand good job let's move on skill number 4 Mansur read the action compare the adjective जैसे कि वो even को इस्तेमाल अगर भी इस्तेमाल हुआ compare the adjective इस्तेमाल हो Mark is heavier but Paul is even heavier शाबाश Hurry up. If tomorrow a person do not bring a book, he or she will not sit in the class. Understand now? Do you understand? Good job. Okay, 2 number. Joyce is thin, but Lisa is even thinner. Good. Shabas. I am thin, but Anfal is even thinner. Let's move on. 3 number. When I was a child, I was happy, but now I am even happier. Even happier. Hey, mister. The rest that is your homework. You have to do it.
Today, Nani, today was homework.
Okay, Christina is a red dress. Yes. Christina's.
Red dress.
Christina is Christina.
Red dress.
Red dress. No, Christina's red dress is prettier. Christina is Christina's apostrophe is there. Christina's red dress is prettier, but her blue dress is even prettier.
Saji, please someone.
This house is big, but their house is
Even
even bigger. Bigger, the bigger than I bigger. Next, sir, is hot today. Is
hot.
showers.
But yesterday it was even hotter.
Even hotter. Good job. It was very nice. Presentation number 5. Presentation number 5.
As you
Some
tell us
and
hot.
India. Some and okay, listen to it. Some and any, according to grammar, both of them are distributed adjective. Okay, why do you use some as some we use in positive sentences?
Negative.
Okay, listen, some it is used to ask about the quantity of something. But for example, I want
I want some.
I want to buy some sugar. I want to buy some sugar. I want to buy some cards. I want to buy some clothes. And I said tomorrow I'll teach this topic that the topic was some and here next is even plus adjective. Comparative adjective. What kind of there is level to talk? But I will revise it. दोबारा भी revise करना. What kind of and next is okay, but topic okay, noun plus noun. But topic student noun plus noun. Compound noun, simple, आसान है. Tomorrow everybody has to come to the class. Try not to take absent. That is a very significant topic. These are very, I can say it's a very significant class tomorrow, and nobody has to make absent here. Try to come on time, and if a person comes late, I will never ever let him to come inside. Understand? And tomorrow you have to bring your book, notebook, and vocabulary. Understand?
Yes,
Today, majority students they didn't have their books. They are just students their book no longer. Well, yeah. Why did you have to pay the minute here? What was the reason? Did you study at home? How many times did you study it? Did you study it even for 1 minute? No. Did you study it at home? Nowadays you are in a paper. It doesn't take even 10 minutes. Listen. Even 10 minutes. Did you? I know she didn't study. That was what the Chidi could study now. But did it?
So the girls is anytime free at home.
Did you study it at home?
The boys anytime.
Did you study it at home? No. No. No, I I do not say that you are having a lot of activities at home, but I am only concerned with your main idea. I'm just asking this question here, why you didn't present, why you didn't study for it? Did you study last time? Didn't you take only a 10 minutes, only a 15 minutes a spare time? You didn't have spare time? Hey, Mr. Jawad Khan, did you study at home? No.
Yes, sir, I have studied at my home.
So obviously that you can see at no, you will never give me feedback. Understand? The feedback is crystal clear. You didn't present the main idea. That is the only reason that you do not study at home. I said it was not difficult. It was a piece of cake. If you studied it at home, you would have presented right now. But unfortunately, you do not study it. I cannot come to your home and pick up your books and study it. If I can, I would have come to you. But unfortunately, yes. You just stay at home. Really, how many times? How many times? Yeah, how many times? What? I can't hear.
Half hour.
Half hour. And despite of it, I about you the presenting of one. Huh? No, could be this declare one. So that is half hour. You will get that. So the direct color. Treason. Okay, did you say at home?
अब्दुल्ला सरकार शुरू के नाम प्रिंटर और सामान नंबर के Esteban, nah,
Listen to us. I told you at the beginning that I don't care about the chances, listen to us, but I need your feedback. I would like to make your fluency better and better. Speaking of I don't have any concern with it. That I give extra time present the main idea present. I don't have any affiliation with it. But despite of it, I give time. Let's touch the tiger. I want to make my students better and better. And despite of it, you do not study at home. What did we study? Let's study. Nothing. We just took a whole hour, half hour, we just took in a presentation. Plus, we will get a presentation on. तो हम 20 मिनट का सबक करेंगे देखा और just then with us मान लो वो खाली को खाली सबक को इनको मैं आइडिया से प्रेजेंट करो we study nothing no notes ना वो खाली में बुक हो I just do the same तो मैं समान आपको होगा अगर हम सब किसी एग्री शेयर वैसा बस तो इस तरह का खाली में बुक आया खाली का टॉपिक आया yes are you agree
no
kita sudah zikir lagi about that time मैंने वेस्ट करा था इधर टाइम तक पहुंच जाता है ऑन टाइम आता हूं इसको किस तरीके से कोई बात नहीं करा कि सब मजा आता है मेन आइडिया कि सुस्ता सुन इंप्रूवमेंट की कर दो कोई एक्सरसाइज किस के लिए understand main idea किस चाहिए सुस्ता बिकम स्ट्रक्चर सिस्टम आपको मेन आइडिया किया मेन आइडिया की तरफ अगर क्या स्पीकिंग इस्तेमाल किया स्पीकिंग इस्तेमाल करता है वर्बल स्पीकिंग इस्तेमाल के वर्बल स्पीकिंग इस्तेमाल के अब स्ट्रक्चर बदला पूरी तरह से या तो इंग्लिश कर देगा इंग्लिश मतलब कसम इज द कोर स्ट्रक्चर इज द कोर दैट स्ट्रक्चर जो मुझे याद करना वो इंग्लिश के लिए दैट स्ट्रक्चर का प्रोवाइड कर क्यों ना और किसको को उनका प्रैक्टिस हुआ और प्रैक्टिस को जी तो ना बुक की प्रैक्टिस को डिस्पाइट ऑफ इट अगर बावजूद करता स्पीकिंग में रोबोट दैट सब को लगा और कलियर रोबोट से kita sebab mungkin boleh whiteboard
Yes.
or main idea is Shivya, main idea is that put exercise that unit of the Chishkala, that two structure Kalaria. That even of the Kalaria, that two structure for the unit of the Kalaria. I said, the thus our unit of the main idea there in our speech automatically thus our version of the city is the main idea को करना चाहता है the full तरफ represent किया the full तब मन इस potential नहीं लगा जैसे कि अगर राशि starting बारी करना मत की उधर गया तो पकारे चुमाती वो करना चीजों तक feedback पर उधर support और मान जिन हम विदा से लाया नतर स्टूडेंट को कौन कर दिया लेकिन आगे तो बस का रिश्ता को मजे अगला मान से पता रिश्ता दस तैयार कर बिना की दस ट्रेंडी की ना understand कि किसी का खबर दी पक्का का तरीका होगा understand वो शेयर करना main idea मतलब डायरेक्ट तस्वीर की जब main idea was ali यो सबक दिया और बस सब तक और डिजिटल हो गया ना तास द main idea पर different ways to represent हो गया यो ways ना यो वाला ना तास बस main idea present हो रहा द पर different ways to present हो गया understand for instance जब वो operation हुआ damage कम conversation अगर तास पर अल्फाज की वजह से main idea आता सोया main idea और तास की पर अल्फाज की वजह से बाहर तरीका हुआ है अभी सब दमा से ताल्लुक नहीं है ऐसा दमा इस कर्सर नहीं है जिससे दवाई अगर से हुआ है but main idea is she did not present story you have to present the main idea was soya present story majority students they didn't present the main idea but it present because they didn't study at home देखो study करे ना करा कतास द रिसर्च study करे करना आज से द याद that's study करना अगर दस गया ऊपर अल्फाज की वजह से study नहीं करे करना दस गया
Inshallah, sir, we are trying to better.
Make yourself better for your own self, or not for me. Understand now?
Yes.
Good. Who was absent yesterday? Before yesterday, stand up. On Friday, on Saturday, who was absent?
Yes.
Stand up. Why you are absent?
Sir, please know what you check.
Why you are absent? What do you? What's the reason? Your mother was said before yesterday I took quizzes from them. Didn't you know I wanted to take quiz number 1 and 2? Did you know about quizzes? Did you know about quizzes? Nothing quiz about what? So why? What will you do with it? Is the number of hours. Is number 1 and 2 deliver. You sit down. You know. Hey, listen, find me. Siyar, who is Siyar? I'm gonna select a new Siyar in this class. Understand now? They will conduct this class and if I do not come partner and he will be standing here. I will declare it and he will just continue his class. Class continue. If Siyar is standing here, it means that I am standing here. Understand now? Yes. Yes. Tomorrow I'll teach you two topics on E1 plus comparative adjective and another topic is welcome back. Not some and any but not plus now they have to compound now they have to it's the G.
Sierra, the last one of us.
Okay, any questions, sir? No. Thank you so much. And have a nice day. Have a lush day.